Okay, we're gonna attempt to get some cool photos. We have this whole social distancing thing going right now, and they've closed off one of my favorite bridges. If you've watched my videos, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. It's this little tunnel under here that we always do the sound of my people to, and now we're gonna go there and shoot our bikes because it's closed off to traffic. So if we push our bikes there, it's basically a bicycle, and that's the play. Yeah, stop here and we'll just walk in there. Yeah, see, they're getting the gram. We're gonna get the gram. There's more people down here than I originally thought. Good chat, good chat. Cyclist dismount. Will not dismount because he's a cyclist. Excuse me, the better bike's coming through. Now what? Okay, good chat. That was fun. Okay, so we're gonna come back. It's too busy, too many people. We want to put our bikes across that street for the ultimate gram. I think I'll post some more stuff about this guy's bike than he has, so that's also gonna be pretty funny. That was togetherness, dude. That was sick. Whoa, whoa, that white line just pooped my pants. The back gave out. That was slippery, not gonna lie. Are you testing your suspension like every Ducati person does at the show? That's how you know you want that bike? Gotcha. Oh, I wasn't even paying attention. Bitch! Got him! Yeah, that joke's... Yeah, that joke's up. Yeah, always block my old girl. I see how it is. I'll remember that. Look at that. See, sport bikes suck. I don't care what you say. These two babies, like, this is like the move. Yeah. Alright, we got some sick photos of these babies with that perfect sunset light. Now we're gonna go to the second photo spot. Oh, back to the first one. But yeah. Still waiting for my outfit, so I'm wearing my touring gear. I'm British, so I say touring. No wheelies? Yeah.
We're just taking pictures.
Thanks, buddy. This guy's nice. This guy's really nice. So I'm wearing earplugs, so I can't hear anything.
You get good pictures on that?
No, we got the big camera for that. That guy's crazy. That guy's eccentric. I want to do mine fully sideways and then shot from like 70 at 2.8. Girls, do you want to sit on my bike while you do your shot for the gram? Man, I can smell the perfume from back here. That is sick. And it has a sunset too. Is here good? Dude, when will you ever get that photo like that? The answer is never. Oh, big oof, my guy. I can handhold 1/30th. We need to go up to like 8 hundo. Dude, that is money in the bank. Okay, yeah, I want to put it like here. Oh my god, that girl in the red. Oh my god. Hook me up. Ooh, that's moody. See, right here, it's blocking all those people. Okay, your turn. I got what I need. Look at that guy's scooter. Is that better than my scooter? I need more lights on my scooter. That's gonna be me. See how old that guy is? That's gonna be me when I got a scooter. Just more lights. Is that gram worthy? Oh yeah, I switched on my full. Dude, that's money. Oh my god, bro. Dude, your lights are so up. Oh my god, even I'm blinded. God damn. Oh, dude, do it, do it, do it. You own Ducati now. I mean Fucati, I can't say that word. Look at you. You went from the third left lane right. Look at you. Just because you drive a Fucati doesn't mean you can go breaking the rules now, bud. Oh, this video. Oh, dude, this. Look, we're socially distant. We're being behaved. That's a cop right there, by the way. Whoop, whoop. No, it's six meters away from that piece of crap. Got him. Oh. Oh. Oh, look at that. Are you kidding me? There's running red lights and then there's that. Just straight through it. That's the worst, man. Turning into Russia. Oh, and I was recording. Nice.